Alright, you twat. You've got a problem with your Steam game launcher now, have you? You may notice that whenever you try to download a game on Steam, it presents an error message that reads, "Missing file privileges." And this ain't just for one game either. It's my whole damn library. God damn it, I thought people like us had white privilege or something. Oh, you silly bunion. There is a simple solution to this. Go to the far left corner and click on the Steam thing, which will bring a drop down. I'm a silly fucker and I accidentally hid it. Oopsie. Go to storage and find the game folder you want to repair. Since mine is unorganized, it's all just one. Click the 3 dots and click repair. Give it access to whatever it says, and now we can wait for it to do its magic. It should work fine now. Oh hell yeah. Now this should also fix any problems you might have in Gmod. Let's find out.